Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer in Minecraft without needing to sign in using LAN. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is from one device, for example right here on the phone, we're going to just create a brand new world. So we're going to click on play, and then from here going to create a new world, and then from here going to press create. And then make sure that when you're making it, you're going to go to advanced settings in the multiplayer. And then once you go on the multiplayer, you're going to click and make sure that it is visible to LAN players. That is going to be enabled right here. Once that is visible, then make sure that the default player permission is visitor. And then from here, you can just friends or any invitation. And then once that is done, you're going to just go and create the world. Now, once you have created the world, make sure that you and your friends that want to join each other are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you're close to each other or you live in the same house, then you just have to be close to each other, connected to the same network. And then once it loads and it creates the new world, we simply just play it normally. And then on the other computer, from your friend's point of view, they will simply open Minecraft. And then once they click on play, they will see that this world right here, LAN world, is connected and there's 1 out of 5 people that can join it. So once you click on it and then click on proceed, then it's going to connect to the multiplayer game and you don't have to sign in on any device. And this can work with both phone and iPhone and Android and Windows and Microsoft and anything you want, even Nintendo Switch. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.